Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 questions for 7CO03 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. To address AC 1.4, we start by recognizing the value of collaboration across boundaries, cultures, and disciplines. In today's complex business environment, cross-functional teams are essential for fostering innovation and addressing multifaceted challenges. By bringing together individuals from different departments, organizations gain a variety of perspectives that enhance creativity and operational efficiency. Cultural diversity, meanwhile, promotes inclusive thinking and better problem-solving through exposure to multiple worldviews. Collaborating across disciplines, such as IT, HR, and finance, ensures comprehensive, well-informed decisions aligned with business goals. For instance, tech and marketing working together on a product launch can yield better user experiences. Embracing such collaboration also builds organizational resilience, as teams become more adaptable and responsive to change. Ultimately, the more an organization embraces internal and external diversity, the more equipped it is for long-term success. Effective collaboration begins with establishing shared goals and transparent communication frameworks. When teams understand their common objectives, it aligns efforts and minimizes confusion. Tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack enhance virtual teamwork by streamlining conversations and document sharing. They are particularly effective in cross-location or hybrid work models. Another critical strategy is training in cultural intelligence, which equips staff to appreciate, understand, and work well with colleagues from diverse cultural backgrounds. This is vital in global organizations or multicultural teams. Lastly, organizations must implement inclusive policies, such as flexible work hours for religious observances or diverse hiring practices, to make all individuals feel valued and respected. For example, Accenture provides DEI training and actively promotes diversity in leadership roles. These strategies encourage open dialogue, boost morale, and ultimately lead to stronger collaboration across all boundaries within the organization. Embracing difference isn't just ethical, it's strategic. Studies by McKinsey and others show that diverse teams consistently outperform their more homogeneous counterparts in profitability and innovation. By encouraging employees to bring their full selves to work, organizations tap into a wider pool of ideas, insights, and experiences. This diversity of thought helps companies solve problems more creatively and develop products that resonate with varied customer bases. It also reduces the risk of groupthink, a situation where similar mindsets stifle innovation and challenge. Inclusive environments foster critical thinking and constructive disagreement, which are crucial for growth. Furthermore, an inclusive workplace culture attracts top talent from different demographics and enhances employee retention. Organizations like Google and Salesforce attribute much of their success to strong diversity and inclusion frameworks. Ultimately, embracing difference builds a richer, more collaborative, and more successful organization. Cross-cultural collaboration is now a standard feature of many global organizations. Working across cultures demands attention to detail in communication styles, time zones, and language preferences. For example, scheduling meetings that accommodate different time zones or using plain English when team members have varying language fluency. Understanding local norms, such as holiday observances, hierarchical structures, or meeting etiquette, can prevent misunderstandings and build trust. For instance, in some cultures, direct feedback may be seen as disrespectful, whereas others value blunt honesty. Respecting these differences helps build cohesive teams that function effectively despite geographic dispersion. Companies like Unilever and IBM have developed extensive protocols to support global team collaboration, including virtual training and intercultural mentorship. These practices promote empathy and shared purpose. The goal is not uniformity, but unity through mutual respect. When done right, cross-cultural collaboration becomes a core strength of the business, To create sustainable cross-boundary collaboration, organizations must foster a culture that supports openness and psychological safety. When employees feel safe to express ideas or admit mistakes without fear, collaboration thrives. Leaders play a critical role. They must consistently demonstrate inclusive behaviors, actively seek diverse input, and set the tone for respectful discourse. Moreover, organizations should track collaboration through KPIs, like engagement scores or project cross-functionality, and seek feedback through surveys or interviews. These data points highlight strengths and areas for improvement. Finally, diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, must be woven into organizational strategy, not treated as a separate initiative. This ensures collaboration and inclusion are ongoing priorities embedded in operations, hiring, and leadership development. For example, companies like Johnson & Johnson integrate DEI into every function. When collaboration is part of the culture, it leads to greater innovation, adaptability, and long-term performance.